Welcome to this video about ontology engineering tools. My name is Maria Poveda and the main goal of this video is to show a system that can be used to manage different activities in a collaborative ontology development project. During the ontology development process, several resources should be generated and managed along iterations, or the ontology lifecycle. For example, one should decide how to handle versions of the ontology and the associated documentation. In this video, we will present Ontology, an online system for supporting ontological engineering activities, such as versioning, documentation, evaluation, and releasing. It does not pretend to be an alternative for ontology development environments, but to support complementary activities that usually happens when the ontology is already implemented. Ontology works in combination with the GitHub platform, in which the ontologies are stored. Ontology provides support for generating evaluation reports. It also generates the HTML documentation for the ontologies and configurable diagrams. In addition, the system provides support for attaching permanent IDs to the ontologies in order to be published and generate the content negotiation bundle to be used in our servers, in case we want to publish it in our servers. Finally, it also generates a pre-visualization of a registry-alike website for the ontologies, one or more, that can be stored in a single repository in GitHub. In order to use ontology, one should log in with a GitHub account, and then add the repository in which the ontology is stored to allow ontology to watch it. Clicking on My Repositories, we can see the list of repositories ontology is watching for us, and the ontologies in each repository. For each ontology, we can configure whether we want the system to generate the documentation or the evaluation and the diagrams for us. This means that every time the ontology file is committed to the GitHub repository, the activities in ON will be triggered. In addition, an option is provided to publish the ontology under the W3ID space directly, or to download a bundle containing the content negotiation configuration in order to publish it in our own servers. Finally, in the More menu, we can stop watching a repository, renew the previsual, that is the web page generated listing all the ontologies in the repository, and force the documentation, diagram, and evaluation report generation without needing of committing a new version of the ontology. Remember that it is advisable to check the complementary material available in the system.